How to speak attractively. Master the power of your voice in just a few steps. Have you ever met someone whose voice immediately draws you in? They speak with such clarity, confidence, and charm that you just have to keep listening. Here's the truth. They weren't born that way. Most of them trained their voice, and you can too. Let's explore the key elements of speaking attractively. 1. Speak clearly and confidently. Don't whisper or mumble. Your voice should be loud enough to be heard, but not so loud that it feels aggressive. Make sure each word is fully pronounced. Open your mouth enough, relax your lips, and let your tongue move naturally. Clarity builds credibility. 2. Control your pace. Speaking too fast makes it hard for people to follow your message. Instead, slow down slightly and add short, natural pauses. This allows your listeners to absorb what you're saying and keeps them engaged from start to finish. Checkmark 3. Breathe from your diaphragm. Deep breathing gives your voice strength and calmness. Shallow chest breathing makes your voice sound weak or nasal. Try this. Inhale slowly through your nose, letting your belly rise, not your shoulders. Then exhale gently. Practicing this will make your voice sound more grounded and pleasant. Checkmark 4. Use vocal variety. Nobody likes a monotone voice. Change your pitch slightly to show emotion and emphasize important points. Raise your tone when you want to add excitement and lower it when making a serious or thoughtful remark. Checkmark 5. Align your voice with your message. Your tone, your personality, and your purpose should match the content you're delivering. When your voice and message feel authentic, people listen and they trust you. Remember, attractive speaking isn't about having a perfect voice. It's about using what you have in the most effective way. With practice and awareness, you can develop a voice that not only sounds great, but makes people want to hear more. So, take a breath, speak with confidence, and let your voice do the magic.